Welcome to Maynooth. My name is Kelly and I'm your MSU President. And today I'm going to bring you around the university and show you all the health, safety and social distancing measures that have been put in place for the academic year. Keep an eye out for our new one-way systems. They're marked on the floor across various buildings on campus.
Doors closing.
Seating capacity is reduced across the university. So there are social distancing measures in place in your lecture halls, and there will be signage to guide you where to sit. When you're on campus, you will see that there are sanitisation stations in every building. Every student will get a personal, refillable hand sanitizer bottle when they come to Maynooth, and there will be refill stations on campus also. The public-facing offices in the university, like here in the Student Services, will have Perpex screens in place for your safety.